Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will teach you how you can verify your Google AdSense account without the verification PIN or the PIN that you will send it into your mail. So everyone having a Google AdSense account, Google will send you a PIN to your mail or your post office whenever you reach the threshold of $10. But if you do not have the PIN, your account might got banned or your account might be closed by Google because they need to verify your account that you are human and you are the one having the account. So most of the times the PIN does not arrive in our post office or our mailbox. This is the reason why I am here to help you out to verify it without the PIN or without the post office method. So without wasting my time, let me just hit on my screen and show you how it is done. It's very simple, and if you follow the steps, you will be able to verify your account as well. Thank you. So let me just open my Google account and show you how you can go about this one. So I'm logging into my Google AdSense account, and this is my Google AdSense dashboard. Actually, this account is mainly for one of my YouTube channels, and with YouTube, your earnings will be at the AdSense for YouTube. So let me just click there and show you how it works. Okay, so currently I have $481.64 in my account. This one, just one of my channels, and let me check some of the payment info. Please and please again, before you use this particular guide, make sure that you request the AdSense PIN 4 times before you get you'll be able to use this particular guide to verify your Google AdSense. So as you can see, I have $481 in my AdSense account, which is from YouTube earnings. Actually, I have about 3 YouTube channels, of which 2 of it is monetized already, and this is one of the earnings on one of the YouTube channels. So first of all, make sure that you have a document. That's your document of your ID card. I will use my Microsoft Word to do the editing. So first of all, open the Microsoft Word and select blank page and go to insert. Let's assume that I have my ID card on me. Because of security reasons, I will not be able to import my own ID. So import the ID of your own into the Microsoft Word by going to insert and pictures. So let's assume that this was my ID card. Please make sure you capture the front and the back of your ID card for this particular guide. Make sure that you use it for your guide. Then convert the image to PDF, or if you do not have Microsoft Word, all you need to do is download image to PDF app and make sure you capture your you capture your ID card. You can use your national ID, passport, or maybe driver's license. Then after you can simply change it to a document form. So consider I've requested a lot. I've requested the 4th time and I cannot request again. So let me go to troubleshoot over here. Go to learn more. So go to learn more. So I just clicked on learn more. Then scroll down. Let me scroll down and show you how it looks like. We need to troubleshoot it that we haven't received the PIN troubleshooter. Make sure that you've requested 4 times before you'll be able to use this particular tutorial for your channel verification. So confirm that the Gmail is yours, then click on no, I haven't received my PIN. Make sure that you haven't received your PIN for this particular one. So you'll be able to contact a Google AdSense. Click on contact form, that's over here. Then make sure that you type in your details, your name. So my name is Emmanuel Opoku, so I've just entered my name over here. Let me type my name. Please and please again, make sure that you do not receive your PIN before you can use this particular tutorial to verify your AdSense account or YouTube channel, Google AdSense account, or blog Google AdSense account. So make sure that you have your publisher ID as well on you, your publisher ID. So if you go to account, I think it's at or we'll find it at account information, I guess. Okay, let me check personal settings before. Let me check personal settings. No, it's not at personal settings. So the publisher's ID can be identified at account information, I guess. So let me just go to account info. So you can see that I have my publisher ID over here, of which I do not want to show, or it's kind of confidential. Some of the details are confidential. So after you fill the forms, scroll down and select the PDF that you just did. So I said you need to change your national ID, your ID card to PDF or any type of document, then upload it to the contact form, so that Google will be able to verify your accounts for you. This doesn't take even 5 minutes. It's less than 5 minutes, and within 1 minute I got approved by Google AdSense. Before you get approved by Google AdSense, so let me just search for the document. So I think I have the document at download. Okay, so I have it at downloads. Then all you need to do is to double click on it, or just select the document and click open. So let me choose it again. My network is not that good, so let me try it again. So you can see that my document is over here and it's being uploaded. It's uploading. So first of all, make sure that you've requested the PIN 4 times and you haven't received it in your mail. The second one is to go to learn more, then troubleshoot it, then confirm that the Gmail is yours, and make sure that you select I haven't received the PIN. So after you've uploaded your document, click on submit over here. So when you submit it, you will get a first message. You get 2 messages in your Gmail. So let me just log into my Gmail and show you how the message from Google AdSense looks like. The first message will inform that you've submitted your details, and the second one will just inform you that your account has been verified. So the first message looks like this. So let's wait for the second message. So this even doesn't take me more than 1 minute. It didn't even reach 1 minute. So let me just wait for the second message from Google AdSense. So you need to verify your account before receiving payments from Google. So let me just refresh again. So let's just wait for the second message and I'll show you how it looks like. So let me just wait. Let me refresh the screen. Okay, so this is the second message from Google that my account have been verified. You can see that thanks for sending your proof or identity. We are happy to let you know that that this fulfills the address verification requirement for AdSense. So you can see that our account has been verified by Google AdSense. Now we can receive payments from Google AdSense. I'll teach you how you can increase your revenue on your blog or your YouTube channels as well. So let me refresh my screen and show you that it's been verified. So I'm refreshing my screen right now. So now you can see that my account has been verified, and the warning that I need to verify my AdSense account is no more there. This is very instant. So this is how you can just verify your AdSense account without using the without using the PIN. So this is how it works. So I have $481 in my account. So thank you for watching this video, and if you think this one is helpful, make sure you click on subscribe button.